Hey guys, this is Matt Rides, and today I've thought I'm going to bring you some new content and I'm going to show you basically my helmet setup, what I ride with while do the motovlogging. It's kind of like a budget setup, to be honest. It's kind of just like, a budget like setup, so just kind of things that you have like lying around your house if you want to use. So, and I'm sorry about the echo, I'm in my workshop. This is the quietest place in the house, and there's my my KTM looking all nice and clean. Anyways, so I have my helmet here. This is a new helmet actually, just one helmet. This is my first helmet of just one, and so far I'm really liking it. I really like the design of it. It's really cool. All these different angles and stuff. And yeah, I have 100% glasses, what they called goggles. And yeah, so basically, let me show you so I have an old phone, my old Samsung here. And this is basically what I record to. I just have old earphones, so I have the aux coming in. Please focus. Come on, there we go. So I have the aux coming in here, which runs through into my helmet under here. And if you see here, oh my gosh, come on, there we go. Okay, so the cable for my earphones, which I'm not using the earphones obviously, actually maybe I could connect the earphones up and have something like, I don't know, hands-free calling or something, but I don't know, I'll be hands-free since, well, I need to touch the button to call. Anyways, it could be a little button in here. I need to sort this out. This is kind of just like a quick thing. This is just a quick video just explaining what I have in case you guys want to start motovlogging and you think, oh, I can't afford the microphone setup and stuff for the GoPro and like the setup there. So, and this I use the Hero 5 Black. It's quite a cool camera. I really want to save up for the 8 though. 8 looks really cool, especially with the stabilization. That's basically like the main thing I want it for. Because I don't record in 4K because my computer just it will die in 4K. So I record in 1080p, but I'm thinking of going to 2.7K and then just editing like that, just so I have more pixels. But anyways, back to the actual topic so this is just headphones, old earphones, and then they're routed in here. I just put some tape there just in case this gets pulled, because this goes into my backpack here. So in case that gets pulled, it's just kind of like a little stopper so it doesn't yank the mic all the way out. And I've just like kind of run it. It used to like run more like there, but it's kind of just gotten pulled out. Anyways, I'm going to take this off and put it further down. And then, so the mic is in here, if you can see that little cotton ball right there, that's the microphone. Then please focus, camera. Come on. It's a bit hard to get in here, especially with the lighting now. Right. Anyways, let's put this on manual focus and use my own brain to do this. So, if you look in there, there's a little cotton ball there. That there is the microphone. It's just kind of duct taped in there. I kind of try to put it to the side much as possible. It can't really fit under here because of these just one these are kind of like emergency pull tabs just to get these cheek pieces out. So I just kind of stuck that in there with some duct tape and then put some cotton wool around it. And so far, it's been working really well. I'm really impressed with it. And then here's just that little piece there is just the earphones, kind of just put into a bundle and just stuck in there, I guess, just to like get them out the way of everything. But I am wanting to maybe try run one earphone like to that side there and then the other one to that side there, just like so I can have like some sort of like calling thing if anyone wants to call in, because the microphone has a little button on here, so I can just tap that and then get a call if there's a call coming in. Not that I'm going to get a call because this is my old phone, so But I don't know, if I'm riding, I'll put my SIM card in that so it doesn't damage my new phone. If I don't have to take my new phone, I don't have to worry about it getting wet. And yeah, that was just my kind of setup. Oh, and on here, so this just runs in it, and then basically how you like start recording is you'll put your GoPro on here, right? So it'll look like that. You adjust this, the angle, whatever. So then you go onto your phone, you click record in like a voice memo app. You stick it in your backpack, you put the helmet on, you put the camera on, and you want to do quite a loud clap, like just to sync, get the audio like syncing between like, well, what you're seeing in the camera, the video, and then what's on the phone, what's recording to the phone, because obviously they're not going to be in sync. There's no really a way that you can, I mean, unless you can manage to click the GoPro button and the record button at the exact split second, then it'll be in sync. But otherwise you just stick it into, I use Adobe Premiere Pro. It's quite a nice easy feature on there just to synchronize. It's not that hard. As long as you have a loud clap, it normally does pretty well. And I also like to do, just in case, there's sometimes if there's like, if I'm breathing a bit heavy or something, you don't always pick up the clap in the helmet that well. So I just also like to do like a 1, 2, 3, and I say it out loud so that you can see visual representation of what you're doing, as well as like you can sync it up that way, like manually if you really needed to. And yeah, and then GoPro here, I shoot in 1080p, as I said. I'm thinking of going, I used to shoot in 60 frames per second, but I think I'm going to go to 24. I want you guys to let me know about that, because I've been looking at a couple of videos and people say 24 is more cinematic, which I don't know, I kind of want to try that. But it just means I can't really do any like slow-mos and stuff, you know. But I don't know, just new to all of this, gotta try all this out. And yeah, and there's actually one more tip for the camelback that I really like. I'll show you guys now. Okay, well, this is not a camelback, I shouldn't say that because that's branding, but your water bladder. What you basically, after like a ride or something, it's quite, you don't really want this to keep water in it, because it kind of makes it like quite, I don't know, bacteria builds up in it and stuff. But anyways, you want it to be dry inside. You don't want it to be wet, especially if you're going to leave it sitting for like a week or so. You would much prefer it to be nice and dry inside. So what I do is you just take off the top, and then in here, you just go to your kitchen, grab, or even the bathroom, grab a small towel and just stuff it in there. That's what I do. And then literally just in the night, just put the towel in there, leave this on the chair. Like the towel will basically open it up already. Leave this undone. The towel will absorb most of the moisture, and then just the air kind of getting in through where the towel is because it's pushing this open. Dry it out, and it actually works really well. And this always gets nice and dry inside. Try get in there. That's the best I can do. Can't really see in there. Yeah, but that's just a quick tip, which I really like. Just kind of keeps this thing nice and dry inside, no bacteria buildup or mold or anything, any of those things that will just ruin your day. You have a ride and then you fill this thing up, and then yeah, it's wet and moldy inside. It's not fun. Anyways, that's it, and yeah. Is there anything else I need to say? I don't know, I just love my helmet. Look at it. Yes. Just one. And yeah, gloves for enduro, I would say always try to get carbon fiber or just some sort of knuckle protectors. The amount of times those things have saved me falling into rocks and stuff, it's just always nicer to have these when you especially when you land on rocks. They just kind of, they're really nice. They don't hurt your knuckles. And if anyone gives you problems, got some knuckle dusters right there. Just kidding. Yeah, and that's it. That's just a quick video from me, probably just like a 5-minute long video. Just wanted to show you about my helmet rig, how I set it up, and the angle in here, on the GoPro here, there's different ways, you can mount it from the top here, which I'd just gets a better view. Other one is a chest mount, getting a bit lower down. probably show off the bike, like its speed a bit more and make everything like more dramatic. Yeah, but I prefer for you guys to be able to see everything than I would rather make like it would look like not that impressive, but you guys get a wider angle, not just some bars around here and then you can only see like this much of surroundings, you know. Yeah, so that's me done. Just thought I'd give you guys some tips what I like to do. Oh, and also put ice in here, water and ice when you're going for a long ride. Trust me, you will not regret it. It is amazing being able to drink cold water when you're on a hot, long, sweaty ride. For races, sometimes I get a can of Red Bull or Monster Energy and I put it in there and I just mix it with water. Yes, I know it sounds disgusting, but I mean, when you're racing, you don't really care about the taste. It just gives you that little bit of kick of energy every now and then when you take a sip. Yeah, that's it. That's for me, Matt Ride, signing off. To my next MotoVlog, which will probably be coming out around Wednesday. So stay tuned for that. And this is just a short video, probably like a 10-minute video, 9 minutes even, just of showing my equipment off and my tips for just your camelback and helmet. And yeah, and I will probably be making a video of like some motorbike tips. So for your actual dirt bike. So please stay tuned for that. So like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. I'm trying out this new camera, which is like not the GoPro. Obviously that's there. Where is it? There it is. That's not it. There it is. Sneaky bugger, hiding. And yeah, so stay tuned. Like, subscribe, all of that nonsense. No, please like and subscribe. Really want to grow my channel, getting my content out there, and I'll see you guys in the next video, which will probably be a MotoVlog. Alright, cheers guys.